Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Karna. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, no? So now I'm sharing the screen. And did you do the homework? Did you get time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. We will continue it now, okay? Today we will try to complete all the 30 questions at least. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, just we were on the 15th question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just see the question. 14th was done. Acha, make one correction, Karna.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I told you one trick, okay? In that make one correction. I gave you that trick, no? You have to take that this question. Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. It's like, yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Yeah. So here there was a question we did yesterday. It was seventh one. Just open. You are taking notes with me.
Ma'am?
You were writing the notes with me.
No, ma'am. I was just telling the answers.
Like whatever I used to give this trick and all, you were noting it down in your book.
No, ma'am.
Why? You have to write, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Then I gave you PDF. After going home, you wrote it in your book, like after the class.
No, ma'am. Today I'll do it.
Yeah. So in that only you have to make one changes today. Just a minute. I'm. Yeah. So till then you just read the 15th question.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, the answer will be just give.
No.
Ma'am, the answer is 16.
16. Like option number A. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just tell me the by the option you just try to give the answer. Okay. Yeah. Correct. 16th one.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Take any example. If such questions comes and you don't know, what you have to do, no? Just take an example. Okay. Just take an example of two co-prime numbers and find their LCM. What it is coming? There's some difference, product or question. Karna.
Ma'am, can we take 9 and 8?
Yeah, if they are co-prime, you can take.
They are.
Yeah, so take. See, first listen to this.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me just...
I'm telling you some other question. Listen. The seventh question we did know yesterday. See.
Yes, ma'am.
The smallest number which when we divide by these leaves a remainder of these. So when we take it minus, then we will get 6 in this all of them, right? So I gave you one trick that you have to find the answer by LCM of all of this plus 6. It is not plus, it is minus, okay? In the trick, it is LCM minus 6. Minus this 6 because here the common number is 6, okay?
Mom, so the answer is not 1400.
No, it is 1394.
Okay, ma'am. So that's the correct answer.
Yeah, so you just keep this thing in mind, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It will be minus the 6 because 6 is a common number, no? Here after taking the remainder minus that.
Ma'am, you stop sharing the screen.
Yeah, just 1 minute. So did you got it what I am trying to say in that question? You have to take minus. Okay, Karna?
Yes.
Okay. So here, just change it. Okay, so try the 11th one. Sorry, not 11th. We were on the 16th.
Mm.
Yeah, just try. What you say 15th? You gave the answer A, no?
Ma'am?
15th. What did you say the answer for 15th question?
Mom, I can't hear. My signal's bad. Let me just rejoin.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you share the screen?
It is shared only, no?
No, ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Yeah, wait. See now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 15th one, did you say D?
Ma'am, no, I said A.
But answer is D.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. I understood.
How? Tell me.
Ma'am, because it's only by 7. I did it by 6 but not by 7. That's all.
Why? Why we have to read the complete question, no? From now, try to read the complete question, okay? Now tell me the 16th one.
Ma'am, do not 1 minute, ma'am. I do 1 minute. Ma'am, can you explain the 16th one?
Yeah, sure. See, what they are trying to say that you have two numbers, okay? Now, for example, there are two co-prime numbers. Example, you told me to take 8 and 9. What will be their LCM? See, you can go by this formula also. You know now that HCF into LCM is equals to product. For co-prime numbers, HCF is 1, no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, LCM is equal to product, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Tell me 17th one.
Ma'am, question?
I send you the PDF also, no? Otherwise, see on my screen also.
HCF of 2 numbers. Ma'am, option C.
See. Such a silly mistake karna. Just write the formula in your book once. What did I tell you? I just wrote it, no?
HCF into LCM is product.
Right. So what will be HCF?
HCF. Ma'am, division.
Then it is A option or C option?
Ma'am, it is A and D.
But yeah.
Sorry,
Correct.
ma'am, sorry, D. D.
Yeah, A and D are the same only.
Ma'am, is that division or addition?
Yeah, that is addition, right? So it is
Ma'am,
D. So why did you say C? Tell me, Karna. Why you are you just making guesses? Why are you doing that way? Like, just be calm, no? Take your time, but try to don't make silly mistakes. You will do the same thing in exam, no? Then it will be not worth it, right?
Yeah.
We have studied lot and at last we make such silly mistakes, then it is not worth it, no?
Yeah.
Just try to be calm and give the answer because you know the concept, but you just try to be in a hurry and you give the wrong answer. That is what is the main problem. Okay, so try the 18th question now. There are 153 apples and 119 oranges. These fruits are to be arranged in heaps according to the same number of fruits, and the greatest number of fruits possible in each heap is.
Mm, I have no idea.
Okay, I'll explain. See, the question says that there are these much apples and these much oranges with you. Okay, and you have to arrange them in heaps according to the same number of fruits. Like in every heap, there should be number of like there should be a number that can divide 153 also and 119 also, right? Because you want to arrange them in heaps, right? Then the greatest number, that is means you have to find their HCF.
Mama, mom,
Hmm.
1 minute.
See, this is what heaps
Mom,
look
it
like.
is divisible by 17, both of them.
Yeah, but you have to find their HCF, okay?
Mom, 17.
17 is there, but check if there is like there are higher options also, no? So check. 20 is not there, okay? Because this is not divisible by 20. Try by 23 once.
23.
I don't think 23 is also there. So 17 will be the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so next question.
The number of prime numbers from 1 to 50 are. Mom, just
Uh,
a minute.
just tell me what are the prime numbers.
Mom, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23.
Just note it down in your book. I am writing.
29.
Yeah, I'll give you till 100. Note this down in your book.
Okay. Mom, is there any faster way you can do this?
Like
Like how to find out
there is
prime
no trick. You
numbers?
have to at last learn them
Okay.
because this is not 41. See, I'll give you one trick although, but at last you have to memorize only. But I will give you one trick. Okay, just wait. See, till 1 3 like till 19 you already know, right? You already learned. Now see, 23 and 29 are there. So 31 and 37 are there. Then in 40s line there are 3, okay? Then again see, This was 23, 29. Now there is 53, 59. This was 31, 37. Now you see there is 61, 67. In 40's line there were 3. In 17's line there are also 3. Then again 3, 9. 83, 89. And then 97 is only one between 90 to 100. And also in 40, this is 41, 43, 47. But here it is 71, 73 and 79. Okay, it is not 77. Got it? Just learn this, okay?
Mom, so there are Mom, so there are 25.
Yeah, you can count.
Mom, 25 I did.
Yeah. Okay. From 1 to 50 they are asking. Okay, so you can count it, right?
Mom, 1 to 50 are
1 is neither prime nor composite, you know, no?
yes, mom. Mom, 15 are there.
Okay. So, next
Option A.
option A is 15.
Yes, mom. Sorry, mom.
Question, no?
Option C.
Don't make such silly mistakes, Karna. You got the answer, then why you are clicking on the wrong option? Now, next question.
A number is always divisible by 90 if it is divisible by 2 and 45, 9 and 10, 5 and 18, all of the. Mom, D?
Yeah, all of this. You said D, no?
Yes, mom.
Yeah,
All of these.
correct. Very good.
The reciprocal of the smallest prime number.
What is the smallest prime number?
2.
And its reciprocal?
Uh, 1 by 2.
So, what will be the answer? Which option?
B.
Very,
Option B.
very good.
The two numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are called co-primes.
Very good. So, which option? You tell me the option also because I've seen you are making mistakes in that.
Mom, option A.
Yeah, correct.
The numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called as prime numbers. C.
Very good.
Mom, just a minute for the 24th question.
Yeah. See, we can directly say no that it is.
1 minute, 1 minute. Mom, the answer is C. Both 5 and 7.
How?
Mom, it is divisible by 7 and it is also divisible by 5.
How did you check by 7?
Ma'am, by dividing it.
Okay, nice. But there is a rule also, no?
Ma'am, I use the divisibility rule.
Tell me what is the rule?
Ma'am, you subtract the last. You double the last number, then subtract it.
From the
From
remaining
the
part of it.
whole number.
Right. So
You
what is
double
the
the ones place, then you subtract it from the whole number.
yeah, so you doubled, so it is 10. And you subtracted it from the whole number, so
Ma'am, so then it is going to be 55.
no, no, no. You
116.
don't have to subtract it from the whole number. You have to subtract it from the remaining part of the number. Like,
Oh, okay. Ma'am, 36 minus 10, 26.
wait, I'll show you.
Ma'am, I understood. Ma'am, double the last digit. What's after that?
And
Ma'am, then it is going to be 311626.
yeah,
Ma'am, then it's going to be 226. Ma'am, then 6 to the 12. Ma'am, until we get a small number, we should divide, or you can directly start doing it.
no, you have to start doing that.
Ma'am, but what I do is till the last number, I keep dividing it so that it's easy for me. Or else I take a big number like this, I don't know whether it's divisible by 7 or not.
Okay.
So
Or
I
you
divide
just
it in
if
the smallest number, then divide.
yeah, you can do that. Otherwise, what you can do, no, directly check the numbers divisibility. Don't go into all this messy stuff, no. Like directly divide your main number by 7. That
Ma'am,
is in fact less.
but you
Yeah,
should know it's divisible by 7, right? How will you know it's divisible by 7?
by dividing it. If you
Ma'am,
get the
but, ma'am, but if you directly divide it, you don't know what answer you will get. Suppose
right,
you get a decimal number.
yeah, if you get a decimal number, which means it is not divisible. If you get a proper whole number in the quotient and the remainder is 0, then you get to know that it is divisible.
Ma'am, but then if it's a decimal one, it will be a large one, so you just keep subtracting till the last number of 2 digit, maybe.
Yeah, that is okay. You can do that. This is just an alternative, right?
Ma'am, you stop sharing your screen again.
Yeah.
You stopped sharing your screen. Ma'am, I'll be right back. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Yeah.
Ma'am, next 25th question. The last number which when decreased by 9 is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24 and 48 is
C.
Mom, it's B.
Yeah, but decreased by 9 also, no? So you have to do 48 plus 9 in your final answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be B or C.
Mom, it will be C, but how will 57?
No. What they are saying, that the least number which is decreased by 9. That you have,
He said exactly divisible.
listen. They said that the least number which when decreased by 9 is exactly divisible. So exactly divisible is 48, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But they told you that the number should be decreased by 9, then it became 48. So 57, when you will decrease 9 from 57, then you will get 48. And 48 is divisible by all of this. Got it?
Yes.
So answer is C.
Okay. Mom, what does he mean by perfect square?
Like 6 square is 36. So 36
Okay,
is the perfect.
Mom, then it's B. And A. Both A and B because 6 square is 36, 9
Exactly.
square is 81.
Exactly.
Both A and B.
Yeah.
Which one? Okay. Find the greatest number which will divide the greatest 4-digit and the Mom, question paper. Mom, question paper. Okay. Find the greatest number which will divide the greatest 4-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. Exactly, ma'am, 9. Ma'am, greatest 5 and 4-digit is 9. Can be divisible by 900.
Right. And greatest they are asking, no?
Yes, ma'am. So greatest is of 9,999 is 4-digit and 99,999 is 5-digit. So it's divisible by 9.
Yeah, like they are divisible by 3 also. But they are asking. Yeah.
Greatest number, so it's 9.
Hmm.
'Ma'am, 28th question, right?
Hmm.
1265 is divisible by 1 minute, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 11. Ma'am, option D. 28 is option D.
Correct. Because see, two is not there.
2 is not there, 3 is not there because if you add them,
Yeah.
15, 10, there should only be a 0, then the answer is 11.
Correct. Very good. Just try the next question.
Prime factorization of 13,915
You can do this by option elimination. See, you can see that 5 is there because last digit is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So C option is gone.
Gone.
Gone. Now you try dividing by 7.
7. Ma'am, a minute. Just a minute. Ma'am, you'll get 1987 decimal points. 857 once bar and something else.
Means it is not divisible, right?
Yes, ma'am. 857
So
one.
7 should not be there. So B option is also gone.
Yes.
D is all, C and B are gone. Now check 3. 3 is there or not?
Ma'am, 1 plus 3.
Sum of digits.
1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. No, 3 shouldn't be there.
So A option.
Option A. Answer is A.
Okay. So 30th question.
Ma'am, can you show it one? The HCF of and LCM of two numbers is 16 and 192 respectively. If one of the numbers is 64, the other number is the other number is. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
The other number should be. Ma'am, just a minute.
Just try. You have to know. You have known the formula, no?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Just, ma'am, what is it? HCF of 16 and what's the first option again?
192 and 16.
Yes, ma'am. What's the first option?
48.
38.
48.
48. Okay.
Can't you see my screen?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I can, but.
Then
Um, ma'am, it is 48.
how did you do?
Mom, because if you do it with 64 or 64 and 40 at the LCM, you will get the LCM will get 192.
Hmm.
So then the answer should be 48.
Correct. So now can we move to the next or should we give it for tomorrow like the time has already up?
Mom, we still have 50.
Okay, so start.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, we'll start.
It was still 45, no? Only 2 minutes are left.
No, ma'am, it's been 30 minutes since the class has started.
No, no. I started exactly at 4:01.
Okay. If a circle is divided into two equal parts, then the equal part of the circle is called.
We had discussed this one, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show it the question once? Okay. Semicircle.
Semicircle. Very good. The next one.
A pair of lines which do not intersect at any point are called parallel.
Correct.
Parallel.
Correct.
A set of points which extend infinitely in both directions is called a line.
Correct.
In the given figure,
Just try saying with the options because you are making mistakes in sometimes, no? So try to give answer with
fourth
options.
one, in the figure, given figure, L, M, and N are called dash lines. L, M, and N.
Correct. So what did I told you when they are passing from one point?
Ma'am, they are. Ma'am, I do not know the meanings of. I do know concurrent, but what is transversal?
What is concurrent? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know concurrent either.
I told you in the class, no? We have written this in.
What is concurrent?
We had written this, no? See? That's because you don't make notes. See, we had written this. We had done this all. See, concurrent lines in our notes only. Read it.
When when three or more lines pass through the same point. Okay, ma'am. Option is C.
Then why don't you remember it? Just today revise whole notes, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Before yesterday's class, revise the whole notes up till now.
Yes,
Fine?
yes. C.
Okay.
A
C.
cuboidal box has dash corner point. Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6.
How?
Ma'am, because
Just to visualize in 3D or else I am showing you by drawing.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's like somehow like this.
Wait. See. It is like this.
Ma'am, those are two, right? Okay.
Tell me how many corners?
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, let me label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are there.
And why did you say 6? Okay, just try the remaining questions in homework.
Okay.
We will discuss them in the next class, and some theory is also left of this chapter. We will complete that. So we will try to complete this chapter tomorrow. The remaining theory, only little bit of theory is remaining. Rest we had already covered that day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will complete that, and you just try to solve these questions because you don't have to do any calculation. You just have to tick mark this question. So you can complete the 30 questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we can start from next to next class. We can start this fifth chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Varna.
Mhm.